Did you hear the story of the kid selling puppies at the Democrat fundraiser? People would come out. He would say, "Do you want to buy a Democrat puppy?" Well, 2 weeks later, the Republicans were having a fundraiser in the same place. Same kid with the same puppy standing out front. When somebody walked out, he'd hold a puppy up and say, "You want to buy a Republican puppy?" Well, one of the news reporters from 2 weeks before noticed him and walked over and asked him. He says, "Weren't you just here selling those as Democrat puppies 2 weeks ago?" And the kid said, "Yeah." He goes, "Well, how come they're Republican puppies now?" He said, "Because now they got their eyes open."